Welcome to this short demonstration of the Evolvi online rail booking system. Enter your user login details from the departure page, which will then take you through to the home. You can see you can book return, single or open return journeys from the home page. Enter the train station which you wish to depart from. You'll notice there is an autocomplete list of stations once you start typing in the place that you wish to travel to or from. In this example, we'll be going to London. If you wanted to include a London Underground ticket, you could type London, then enter space and zone, and enter the appropriate zone number in the London Underground which you wish to choose. The dates of travel can be selected from the calendar option. And now enter the time of travel, noting the system defaults to 7 o'clock departure and a return at 4 p.m. There are either leave after or arrive before times. Arrive before is very helpful if you need to be at the destination of the train journey for a particular time. Now press Fare Search to see all of the appropriate trains and fares for the journey selected. You can see for this example from Leamington Spa to London we have 5 outbound trains and 5 return trains. The first departs at 7:12, arrives at 8:30 and has 1 change. The next has similar times but has no changes. You can look for earlier and later trains by pressing the appropriate button from the screen. For a fastest booking process, you can select the suggested fare, which will be the lowest fare on the screen, but bear in mind that may include express and commuter services. We then have the return fares and the single fares, noting that 2 single fares can sometimes be cheaper than a return fare, as in this particular case where the lowest fare is £40 using 2 singles and the return fare is £90. Once you select the fare level that you want, on this particular occasion the £90 fare on the 7:33 train, then highlights that fare and brings up some outline fare rules. For more detailed fare rules, select the box shown at the moment and that will bring more detailed information. It also shows that includes London Underground ticket and the T means it's permissible for a ticket on departure. The system will now query why the lowest fare wasn't taken, and you then need to put a reason code in. That reason, along with the lower fare which wasn't taken, will be stored in the management information reports. We then add the traveller's name in by selecting the blue Edit Traveller Details. This will bring up the travellers that you have previously booked for, along with any saved travellers that you want to enter in. If you want to add a saved or previous traveller, press the plus button, or you can just type in the name of the traveller, free text, as the example here is showing. There is also now the facility to add in additional passengers if you wanted to, along with rail cards as well if any of the travellers had senior citizens or young persons or various other rail cards that are available. We then save the traveller and add the booking to basket. The basket tells us that we need to complete custom fields. These are company set requirements such as cost centres or purchase orders. Your own company may have different requirements which the system will have pre-programmed into it and will select those for you. It is also possible to program those so they only accept certain characters and details which the system will prompt for. We then check the booking out and have the details of the different ticketing options which are available, ranging from ticket on departure, first class post or on-site ticket printers if your business has those enabled. This occasion we'll take first class post. The final page is then details of the delivery or payment. The delivery details are populated based on your user ID. Companies that have multiple billing accounts can select the appropriate account. Check the terms and conditions for the ticket, and then once you've agreed to those, you can then confirm the booking, noting the total fare, including any transaction fees, are shown on the bottom right-hand corner. This is the confirmation screen, which will also be emailed to you, showing all the booking details along with the booking reference number, which you should store for your reference. It is also possible to store the booking as a PDF, which you could save for future reference. And that is how to make a short booking, and there's then the opportunity to return back to the home page to make another book reservation should you so wish. Thank you.